In this tutorial I will show you how to create such beverage ad concept poster design in Adobe Photoshop. Copy these overall preset details and create new document of 1536 by 2304 pixels. From Fill or Adjustments select Solid Color. I had already added here. Copy this hex code for background color. Then add this gradient background. And this concept juice product image. Both of these images are provided in PSD file, link in description. Then select Horizontal Type tool. Left-click to insert text. Type field of fresh text here. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Font style will remain same, change text settings. Copy this hex code for fresh text color. Group the layers and name it as field of fresh accordingly as shown. Then select Ellipse tool. Left-click to insert its sizes. I had already added ellipse shape. From Properties also we can enter sizes. Keep Fill to none. And Stroke to white. Keep stroke size to 4 pixels. Then add 100% natural text inside ellipse shape. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Add this leaves icon as well. Group the layers and name it accordingly. Then using Type tool insert pure energy text in left portion. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Copy this hex code for pure text color. Copy this hex code for energy text color. Group the text layers accordingly. Then add in Type Fuel Your Day the natural way text below pure energy text. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Also copy hex codes for text color accordingly. Group them accordingly. Then add stroke below text. To add this, select Line tool. Hold Shift key and left click to add stroke. From Properties, keep Fill to none. And stroke as per hex code. Keep stroke to 5 pixels. Then select Type tool. Left-click and drag to create text box. Similarly, create this and copy this text. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Copy this hex code for text color. Add these icons. You will get these icons in PSD file link. Then add 100% natural pointers text. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Copy this hex code for text color. Similarly, add these pointers. Group the layers and name it accordingly. Similarly, add these icons and text. Copy this text properties. To add such stroke, select Line tool. Hold Shift key and left click to create stroke. From Properties, copy Stroke Setup. Group the layers and name it as pointers. Then using Type tool, left click and drag to make text box. Similarly, create such an ad this made with real fruits, made for real you text here. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Copy these text hex codes accordingly. Then add the social icons and website text below icons. Copy these overall text properties. Copy this hex code for website text color. Group the layers and name it accordingly. Lastly, add your logo on left top portion. Then select top layer and press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E key to create merged layer. Name it as Final. Similarly, you can create such posters in different concept flavors. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel for more related stuff like these. Don't forget to enable bell icon to get notified when I upload new tutorials. Also follow me on my social media handles to stay connected. Thank you.